Hello, today I'm going to show you how to perform a wasting counter reset. Because our Epson L110, for example, comes with a red light error. That means one time in your life with your Epson printer, like the L110, it is time to buy a new one. That says Epson. Why? Because there is a red light error. That means nothing works anymore. This is the wasting counter, WIC. INKCHIP provides the best software to reset your printer's wasting pad counters. And it's easy. Why we should perform this? There is a pad inside your printer. Yes, it is. And over the years and years of printing, there will be leaked a little bit of ink into it. Yes, that's normal. But Epson says there is a counter, the wasting counter, and if this is counted to 100%, that means Epson says it's full, it is stopped working. But it is not really full. You have enough space to print a couple of years more. So, we're going to inkchip.net and we just download the utility, and with the WIC reset keys, we can reset the ink pad counter to 0. It only takes a few seconds to easily reset our printer. Let's perform this. We download it out of the internet homepage, inkchip.net. Then we have the application running, and you can see here deep cleaning. You see here information, task, and wasting counters. To enter now to your Epson printer, we have to connect our Epson printer using the printer USB to USB-A cable with our computer or laptop or notebook. If we perform that, we can go to wasting counters. And then you should see your printer in this drop-down menu. This is the L110 series printer. That's mine. Now we can read the wasting counter. That's a cool feature. Maybe, for example, you bought an used Epson printer, and you will that will ship to you. And if you are like to look how much lifespan this printer will have until you need inkchip.net, you can see this with this software. Now you can see my printer here is about 40%. That means this counter is okay so far. But if here it is at 100% or 0%, that means it's full. That's not okay. Then it will show you this counter is not okay, because we have the red light error. And now it comes to the solution. We can now reset the wasting counter. But for this, of course, we need an input reset wasting key. And this key can generate us inkchip.net. That means we now buy a key or 3 keys or 5 keys as you like, and then inkchip.net will get us this key, which we are going to enter here. And then we can continue with the wasting counter reset process. So, the only thing we have to do is now we have to enter the wasting key, the wasting reset key, and we have to confirm that. The wasting key we have got by inkchip.com, and then we can reset the wasting counter. After a complete reboot of our printer, we can read the wasting counter again to check this. you can see 0%. This counter is really okay, and it can now have a long period of time for printing to be continued, thanks to inkchip.net. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.